Good morning, everyone. To start our class, may I call on Akira to lead our opening prayer? Amen. So, before we discuss or before we start our discussion, I will be checking your attendance first. Okay? So, is everyone in the girls absent? None. Very good. So, how about the boys? Is everyone present? Very good. That's good. So your attendance is perfect for today. Can I expect this attendance until the end of our school year? Okay, thank you. So before we proceed to our discussion, we will have a short group activity. Um, I will group you into four. So in this row, group of Raymond, you will be the group 1. In this section, group of Floyd will be the group 2. And at the back is group of June will be group 3. And last is group 4, group of Miss Ayat. So that will be your group. So, I will give you illustration board and chalk. I will flash a riddle on the screen and you must write the answer on the board. Don't worry because there will be a set of choices. I will count to 10 and when I say boards up, you must rather raise your boards up. Is that clear? And to the group who will be perfect in our activity, we'll have a +5 on our upcoming quiz. This will be the number 1. I belong to you, but others use me more than you do. What am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boards up. Wow! And this will be the answer. Name is the answer. And you've got all the answer. Very good. So, number 2. What can you catch but not throw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boards up. And the answer is number 3. Did you all got the correct answer? Very good. So number 3. I am tall when I am young and I am short when I am old. What am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boards up. And this will be this is the answer rather. And number 4, I can fly but have no wings. I can cry but I have no eye. Wherever I go, darkness follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boards up. Okay. And the last question is, the more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boards up. Okay, who got the correct answer? Oh, all the group got the correct answer. And who got the perfect score? Yes, the group of Raymond, Floyd, and June. So, the 3 groups got the perfect score, and the group 4 got 4 points. Okay, so the three groups will have +5 on the next or to our upcoming quiz. So write your names on a 1/4 sheet of paper and pass that later on. Okay, let's clap for ourselves. How were you able to come up with the right answers? Yes, yes, Miss Floreline. Yes, very good. Because of the clues provided on the riddles. Right, you're right. And today, we will be tackling something about clues. And our lesson for today is noting context clues. First, may I call on someone to read the objectives of our lesson? Yes, Mr. Ronel. Thank you so much, Ronel. Today, our topic is all about context clues. Does anyone here have any idea about context clues? Yes. Very good. Have you already encountered an unfamiliar word and you don't have any idea about its meaning? Yes, it can be really hard, right? Especially if it's in your exams or quizzes. Though we have Google and Dictionary, we can always have this, just like what I've said a while ago, like in your exams and quizzes. But there is another way, a more practical way rather, that can be used in various situations. This is noting context clues. Context clues are hints that can be used effectively to know the meaning of an unfamiliar or new word. You do this by taking a careful look of a sentence or paragraph and understanding the context of it. I want you guys to listen attentively because noting context clues is such an important skill for you to develop. Context clues, there are 5 types. First, we have the definition. So from the word itself, a definition. The definition of the unfamiliar word is given on the sentence. Just like the example, we have the unfamiliar word pamamanhikan. Its definition is already given in the sentence, asking for the girl's parents' permission to wed the affianced pair. Now, we know that the pamamanhikan is because the definition is already given on the next sentence. So when reading, let's not skip sentences, okay? And if you don't know a word, just read and read because the definition might be included in the sentence. Understood? Let's proceed to the next one, which is the synonym. Do you guys know what a synonym is? Okay, very good. Anyone who wants to read the definition of synonym? Yes. Thank you. So synonym means a word that has the same meaning, and here the contextual clues given are the unfamiliar or new words, synonyms. Just like the example, we have the word resilient, and its synonyms self-reliant, flexible, and resourceful. So before you didn't know what resilient means, but because there were synonyms present, you were able to know that being resilient means carrying the same characteristics as being flexible and self-reliant. What if I also don't know the meaning of the given synonyms? You are lucky if you know the definition of the given synonyms. But if not, then it is a sign for you to read more. In synonym clues, we have the words with the same meaning as the unfamiliar word. Right? Right. Now, what is the opposite of a synonym? Anyone? Yes, antonym is the opposite of synonym. Anyone who wants to read the definition? Yes. Thank you for reading. Okay. In the antonym, the opposite of the unfamiliar word is present. For example, we have the word family-oriented and the opposite word unconcerned. And the opposite, if our clue is unconcerned, then that means that family-oriented means being concerned about your family. Do you understand? Yes. Next, the fourth and the fourth types of context clues. Yes, read. Thank you. From the word itself, example. An example of the unfamiliar word is given or present on this sentence. Just like this one, laro ng lahi is the unfamiliar or new word, followed by the examples. Like what's the laro ng lahi examples? Yes, those are the examples of the laro ng lahi given in the sentence. Easy, right? Let's move on the last one. We have the inference. From the word inference, you are inferring or making a deduction or conclusion based on the sentence that you have read together with your prior knowledge. It's a little similar to definition, but the thing is, the direct meaning of the word is not present. Our example here is, Filipinos are very resilient in times of calamities and catastrophes. Filipinos manage to stay tough and rise above the challenge. What does resilient mean? You have read the sentence, Filipinos remain tough and manage to rise above challenges. Then from that, you could draw the conclusion that this is the definition of being resilient. Does someone have a question? Okay. Because of that, let us proceed to a quick activity. So now, I will be flash in our the screen sentence, and I want you to identify the meaning of the word. Yes. So number 1, is everyone ready? Number 1, Filipino athletes during 2020 Summer Olympics felt victorious. They knew they would never be defeated again. A, afraid. B, weak. C, champion. D, beaten. Yes, C, champion. Number 2, Maria was swayed by Mano's angelic voice in his harana, a tradition, a form of courtship wherein men introduce themselves by singing underneath the window at night. A, dance. B, song. C, story. D, poem. B, song. Very good. Number 3, one is polite while his brother Pedro is disrespectful. This is the reason why one is liked by everybody. A, handsome. B, ill-mannered. C, patient. D, respectful. Very good. D, respectful. So, fourth, the groom's family gives a dowry or gift of 100,000 to get his wife's hand. A, gift. B, threat. C, bribery. D, offering. Anyone who wants to answer? The answer is on the sentence already. Yes? A, gift. Very good. Last question. After losing the title of the beauty pageant in our barangay fiesta, I was dreary for weeks. A, joyful. B, cheerful. C, joyless. D, excited. C, joyless. Very good. It seems like everybody is enjoying our topic. Because of that, can we all sit a one place compressed on the Sa gitna. Is everyone settled now? So here is the instruction. I will give you guys a ball and you need to pass it to the person next to you. If the music stops, then the person who is last to hold the ball will be identifying the meaning of the highlighted word and the type of the contextual clue given. Is that okay with you? Okay. We only have here 5 questions. Yes. First, Filipinos enjoy siesta, which is an afternoon nap. A. Food. B. Nap. C. Fiesta. D. Lunch. Very good. B. Nap. Number 2. Dialects like Hiligaynon, Tagalog, Ilocano, and Cebuano are spoken in the Philippines. A. Country. B. Cuisine. C. Province. D. Language. D. Language. Close family ties is a unique Filipino trait which is unusual to other cultures. A. Special. B. Common. C. Ordinary. D. Usual. Very good. Special. Number 4. The landscape in Tagaytay is picturesque. The Smoky Mountain is an attractive sight in the Philippines. A. Ugly. B. Plain. C. Attractive. D. Unpleasant. Clue use. Clue use? Yes. Answer niya. C. Attractive. Number 5. Last question. Rice is an essential part of the Filipino meal that it's difficult to survive a day without it. A. Important. B. Inessential. C. Unimportant. D. Unnecessary. Yes. The answer is A. Important. Very good, everyone. Let's clap for ourselves.